Hi, everyone. My name is Mark. Along with my wife, Sherry, my grandson, John, and my granddaughter, Abby, we make up the Product Review Geeks. Today, I want to talk a little bit about AI, marketing funnels. We're going to kind of group that all into one kind of category here. Now, it's no accident that they put Mark in marketing. So don't make the accident of not putting him in your marketing. That is me, Mark. Today, I'm going to talk about a program that I pay monthly for. It's $20 a month. It's called Results with Kevin. It's Kevin AI. There's training. They also have some other upsells in here. Lead magnet system, ARM. It's for affiliate marketing. But what I really concentrate more on is I concentrate on, you got the bonus builder AI, and we've got courses. Here's where the rubber meets the road, as they say. We got 7-day AI masterclass. We got Warrior Affiliate. This right here basically tells you how to get approved for Warrior products, Warrior Plus products. And Kevin's got some real good ideas too. In fact, I've tried it, I've tested it out, and it works. Almost every product that I've tried, I've got approved for. But I don't do a whole lot of them because if you get too many irons in the fire, as they say, you get all confused and everything. What I do is I concentrate on one funnel, and you should do the same. Sign up for our funnel. It'll walk you through everything you need to know to make money online. Well, what I use this is part of our funnel right here, Kevin AI. You get results with Kevin. This is right here. This is all the AI models you could possibly think of right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them. He also has a yearly subscription you can do. I just do the monthly one. But if you want to write anything, a YouTube script, right here, it shows you that. Email marketing AI coach will teach you how to do blog posts, create blog posts, product reviews. That's what I do, product reviews. That's what we do. Video sales letters, YouTube review videos. Pretty much anything that has to do with marketing online to be successful. It's right here. This is a good part of our funnel. We have some other things on here, autoresponders and other training and like that. This is one of the main ones. So look at all these courses that they have here. 7-day AI masterclass. You can master AI, Warrior Affiliate, 365 traffic booster checklist for millionaire AI content. As you can see, there's an AI theme here. And then you got $1 Million Warrior, $50,000 case study, top 5 transformation, affiliate takeover, online marketing success, Warrior Plus made easy, free AI money, 365 sales system. Oop, I lost it. I got off of it a little bit here and it dropped down. List building and email marketing masterclass, $100,000 a year made simple, emergency report for marketers, project restart, commission 5, easy repetitive system. Now there I go again. Traffic 5, free traffic shotgun, email marketing on fire, $5,000 training, $500,000 training home, $20,000 extra income from home, and $25,000 in 3 days. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here that you can just learn. Take the time to learn this. This right here is, we have like a 9-step funnel. This is one of the steps right here. So I'll tell you what, check out the link below the video. I'm going to leave a link to our opt-in page. You can opt into it. It'll teach you, how to keep on top of your emailing. Because see, that's what a lot of people don't do. A lot of marketers don't do is they'll email their list. People will sign up for their list and they'll email for, maybe a week, 2 weeks, 10 days, 30 days, maybe even 60 days. And then they don't do it no more. It's very important to stay. That's why we have email series set up for life. You can email somebody when they're on your list. You can email them for the rest of their life. Every day you'll send out an email to them. Plus, I recommend that once a week or twice a month, you send out something saying, "Hey, hi, how you doing? Here's a freebie for you." I do that. I do that 2 or 3 times a month. It helps. It helps people think that you're really human and you care about them, because we do care about you. We want you to be successful online. That's why we came up with this stuff. That's why we search the internet and we find this stuff for you. We find the best of the best at the best prices. See, there's a lot of these under the radar companies that a lot of people don't know about, because, when they search, they'll go to the first page on Google, sometimes the second. Well, I'll go to the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, 10th, 50th, 100th, and I'll find all the good stuff. I check it out. I take the time to do that because we care about you, the online marketer. We want you to be successful. So thanks for watching. This is Mark from Product Review Geeks. Don't forget, keep Mark in your marketing. You'll be successful. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time in our next Product Review Geek video. Thank you for watching.